we're going to talk about assets and the documents we'll need in order to get you qualified for a home loan. Yes, the amount of documents needed in order to qualify has increased over the past few years. However, by knowing upfront what you need, we can make this process a lot easier for you as you're looking to get qualified for an FHA, VA, a USDA, conventional, or a jumbo loan. Getting pre-approved is a great first step. Just click here. Analyzing your assets, or how much money you have to make a purchase, helps us determine which program best fits your needs. If you have limited funds, we can recommend a low down payment program, and we can advise your agent to possibly negotiate a seller assist to help you pay for some or even all of your closing costs. In order for your funds to be counted in your loan approval, they must come from your account or a donor's gift. We will collect 2 months worth of bank or investment statements to verify your funds. By the way, cash under your mattress or at home or in a safe does not count. Sorry, your funds must come from a verifiable source. As always, I'm here to help. Give us a call or email us with any questions on any of the documentation needed to get a home loan, and we look forward to working with you. Thank you.